ready to rethink your relationship with money. These 5 powerful books will challenge everything you believe about wealth, investing, and financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these reads will reshape your thinking and set you on the path to lasting prosperity. First up, Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This classic flips conventional wisdom on its head, teaching you the difference between working for money and making money work for you. It's the foundation of modern wealth thinking. Next, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This brilliant book explores how emotions, biases, and personal history shape our financial decisions more than any spreadsheet ever could. Understanding your own behavior is the real key to building wealth. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.